Hey, my name's Kellie, and this year you'll find me at Tasting Australia. This afternoon I'll be cooking a whole grilled lobster with a burnt citrus Beurre Blanc and chives. We start by sauteing some shallots down with some white pepper. Once that process has happened and shallots have gone a little bit translucent, just added in about half a cup of white wine to reduce to a glaze. Once it's reduced to a glaze, we'll add in a cup of cream and we'll bring that down as well and reduce it. Once the cream is reduced slightly, we'll start adding cold butter in, one piece by piece. Once you've added all your butter, strain it through a fine sieve and just leave in a warm spot. This year, Tasting Australia, presented by RAA Travel, has over 140 events across South Australia, so make sure you check out the program and head down to Town Square from the 30th of April to the 9th of May.